Gamitin ko na rin po itong 97 na blood sugar reading as baseline, no, for another food testing. So today, meron po tayo ditong chia seeds quinoa biscuits. So the crackers po ito. This was sent by one of our followers, no? So i-test ko daw po. So here we go. The reason why I'm choosing to test 2 packs kasi 15 grams po yung isang pack. So this would equate to 30 grams. So almost the same po siya with yung Rebisco po na tinry natin before, yung Skyflakes at saka yung Ritz na biscuit. So yun po. I'll go ahead and eat this and babalik po ako after an hour to check the blood sugar spike. Naka 1 hour na po, kuha na po tayo ng blood sugar. Boom. 160 first hour. So balik po ulit ako after an hour and we'll see kung ano po yung magiging final blood sugar reading. Final hour na po. So kuha na po tayo ng blood sugar. Bumaba naman po siya, no? 130. I think nag-start po tayo ng 97, if I remember that correctly. Tapos umakyat po siya ng 160 something. Now it's down to 130 after 2 hours. So, iba talaga pagka carbohydrates, no? Yung mga refined flour na yan, no? Hindi talaga tayo sigurado pagka yung mga biscuits na gawa sa labas, no? Despite the fact na meron daw siyang chia seeds and quinoa, no? So, ganun pa rin, taas pa rin yung blood sugar spike. Bibigyan ko pa po siya ng isa pang chance. I'll try it 1 pack lang. Tapos, we'll see kung ano po yung magiging blood sugar spike po niya. See ya!